Nokia 2.2. Let's open it. Bear in mind, 90 bucks, Android One. Oh, there's some specs on the back. Face unlock, Google Assistant, Express cover, and everything. Okay. Very strange. There is no seal. The seal is up here, but nothing on this side. Okay. That's the phone, and that's the price. Like you can see it, Polish zloty. It's 90 bucks. That's the phone. What are the accessories? Something here. There's something here, my friend. There's something. How do I? Oh, it's a battery. Oh, it's a huge one. Look. This is the battery for this phone. Battery. Removable battery. That's what we need in all smartphones now. I like removable battery. Then I can remove easily. Manuals. Plug it and put it aside. And cable. This is a Nokia USB cable. Nothing else in the box. Charger. Camera focus. Can we focus here? Okay. This is the USB charger. Nokia logo. And there's the phone. Oh, very nice. In grey. There's the hinge here. I can just do it like this. And it should it should open. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me put the battery inside. Just like this. Close the cover. Yep. And let's turn it on. Is this the on button? Android One. Oh yeah. Face recognition. Is it going to work? Okay, it is working. It's pretty slow. Again. Come on. Open it. Do I have to swipe it? No. It didn't recognize me. Okay, let's just unlock it with the pattern. Ooh, and this phone is faulty. Look what's going on. The home button is pressing itself. So, not that great. Let's go to YouTube. Oh really? Oh really? Oh really? Come on! Can we do something with this phone? Or it's just trash? This is the storage. Bear in mind, I didn't download anything. I just make an update, and the whole system has 9.7 gigabytes. So there's not much left. Not much left. Okay. It is loud and clean. That's very nice. Now, how fast can we browse the YouTube with this phone? Bear in mind, this is on Wi-Fi. Very fast. This is really good. What about internet? Let's go to the eBay. eBay. You can see very fast. It's a good phone. Now let's take some photos. Well, if we hold the button, it will make... those photos are not going that quick. Only 10 photos. Okay, we are recording in 1080p. Nokia. Oh. Looks okay, decent. Can we make a zoom? Yes, we could. Oh, very nice. Okay. Well, this is front facing camera. What do you think? I think it's decent. Even good. Not great, but good. Test autofocus. Bam, 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 bam. Very nice. Okay, so there you have it. It's a very nice phone, not slippery at all. Hard plastic. Very nice. What do you think about Nokia 2.2?
According to NDTV Gadgets, the phone comes with a 5.71-inch touchscreen display and an aspect ratio of 19:9. Nokia 2.2 is powered by a 2 GHz quad-core MediaTek Helio A22 processor that features 4 cores clocked at 2.0 MHz. It comes with 2 GB of RAM. The Nokia 2.2 runs Android Pie and is powered by a 3000 mAh battery.
And there you have it, folks. That's all you need to know. And yeah, really good phone. Thanks for watching.